frame tool to draw my frame desktop size. Then I had my layout guide, which I already saved on the system. Then I change the height to 100. We are currently designing the header. Then I have logo that already designed here as well. I drag it out. This is the logo. Then I place it inside the frame. Okay, my text tool to type my text, my menu. That's my menu. Okay, so Ctrl D to duplicate it. Then I can use it to type the other text. So after I've done that, I arrange the text one after the other. Okay, my shift plus A to add my auto layer to it so that we make the text in line with each other. Okay, so I have some icon which already generated before. So here are my icons. How to get your icon? Right click on your working space, then click plugin, iconify. Okay, the type of plugin I'm using is iconify. Then you can type cat. We are looking, let's for instance, we are looking for cat icon, CART. Then after you've gotten it, you will press import to. Okay, so you import as frame. So here is the icon. So you can click it and bring it out in order to remove the frame that came with the icon. Okay, so yeah, I arranged the icon. I added my auto layout to it. Okay, then I arrange it together. Okay, so I arrange everything together. Then I added my auto layout in order to make it in line with each other. And I noticed that the space between the text and the image of this my logo, I want to adjust it. Then I place it at the center. Okay, so the size between the text and the image of my logo, I adjusted that as well. Then I arranged the remaining items together. Then I added my auto layer, which is shift plus A. Okay, so this is our header. Then pick another frame tool to draw my the frame for the remaining design. Then I place my header inside it. I bring forward my header. I right click on the header, then bring to the front. Okay, then here is the picture I want to use inside my frame. The icon, the plugin I use is on slash. Okay, you can get the icon through the same way you got your iconify icon. Okay, so I place the image inside the frame. Then you press K on the desktop on the keyboard in order to pick your scale tool. Then I use my scale tool to enlarge the image and drag it inside. I adjusted it. Okay, so I reduce the exposure so that my white text will be able to be visible on the hero section. So this is hero section. The first page of your landing page, the upper part is your hero section. And your hero section must be able to speak about your brand or your services. Okay, so the text I want to use on my hero section. Okay, so I'm through with the text. So I can increase the size of the text. I increase the size of the text. Then I make it bold. Then I place it at the middle. Then I change the color, the fill color to white for good contrast. Okay, I want to type something else down, so I duplicate the first one. Then I'm using it to type the other one. Just because I don't want to be picking my text tools anytime I want to type. I always like to duplicate, then I use it to generate another text. Okay, we connect hardworking farmers with families who value freshness and sustainability. all in one all in one place. Then I put it as medium. Then I need to break down my text. Let me change the text color. Then I break it down. I put my cursor on where I want to start breaking it from. Once I place my cursor on it, then I press enter. Okay, so I place it at the center. We had my auto layer to it as well. Okay, so I want to type some other the other items. I have also some other items that I want to put under the text. Okay, so I pick my rectangle tools to draw my rectangle. Okay, so I type my text that I want to put inside the rectangle. Then I bring it to the forward tool. Then I selected it together. I added my color. I have some colors already saved on my design system. Okay, then I change the text color as well. Then I applied radius. I use 5 radius. Okay, so I'm currently designing my button. Yeah, so that's my button. Then I want to have some placeholder too under the text. Okay, so you can get your icon just the same way we got the other one, which is the cat. Okay, so I got my icon from my conifer as well. Then here I'm adjusting it to fit my choice. Okay, so I change the color as well. Then I want to change the outline color of the image inside. Okay, I change the radius of the text as well, the logo. Okay, so I duplicate in order to be able to reuse it. Okay, equality. Then I'm going to change the icon as well. I pick it, then I resize it, then I copy and paste to replace the icon that is inside it. So I think there's some icons inside this that are supposed to be removed, so I removed it there. Then I change the color of the icon as well. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other ones too. I'll copy and paste to replace. So paste to replace, it will save your time, it will save you the stress of removing it and putting it again. Okay, so I copy the icon, then paste to replace. The shortcut to copy is Control C. That's copy. Then I right click on the icon that I want to replace the icon with. Okay, so I added my auto layer to each placeholder. Then I want to do the same thing to the last one. So then I need to resize it. I resize it so that it will be of the same size with the other icons. Okay, then I paste and replace it. I replace it with the other icon. So here I am arranging everything together. Okay, so I arrange the all the placeholder together and apply my auto layers. So let me break it out so that I'll be able to place it very well. I'll be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I change the size between the placeholder. Then I bring in my image. I reduce the size so that it will be able to enter it. Then after that I will now resize it. Then I resize it. Okay, so I send the image to the back. Okay, so let's increase the size of the frame. Yes, let's increase the size of the frame so that I can be able to have some other things under it. Okay, I pick it and drag it down with my mouse. Okay, let me adjust the image inside. Okay, then another text tools. I increase the size as well and also the thickness. Okay, so let me break down this text which I already typed. I need to break it down. I want it to stay under the what we do. Okay, it's too long. Let me adjust it again. So I draw my rectangle which I'm going to place my image. I use a frame tool so that the image will be able to enter the rectangle. Whenever you want to place an image inside the rectangle, just make sure you use frame instead of rectangle, because if you use rectangle, it's going to stay at the front And if you use frame, the frame will be able to contain the item. Okay, so another rectangle, I want to have some text on it and also logo. So I place the logo here, then the text. Okay, so I adjusted the text as well. I want the text to fill inside the rectangle. I don't want it to go outside the rectangle. Okay, so let's arrange it together. So I arrange my text. I want to add my auto layer to it so that it will be able to sleep well. Okay, auto layer is already added to it. I can now increase the size between each text. Okay, then I pick the logo and the text again to arrange both of them to add my auto layer to it. Then I press down in order to bring it down. I don't want it to be on a straight line. I want the item to break down. Okay, so I change the color of the, this is another placeholder as well. I change the color. So I can now arrange this to, okay, so I want to put navigation button here. I drew my cycle, then I got this less than icon through the iconify tool. Then let me color it. Okay, so after I've done with that, I will select the both the rectangle and the less than icon. Then I added my auto layer to it. Then this one, the other one, I rotate it. I change it to 180 so that it will be able to face the second one. Then I can select the both together and also add my auto layer to it again. Then I place it at the bottom. Then select the other items too. And this one, add the auto layout. Okay, so I added my auto layout here too. I adjust the size between each item. Okay, so I'm using it to size it so that it will be in line with the other image. So I selected this one in order to add my auto layer to this one too. Okay, so I use rectangle tools to draw a rectangle, which this what we do and the other placeholder is going to be inside it. Then I'll be able to color the rectangle. So I adjusted it. I sent it to the back. Okay, so we can now add our color to it. So I want to have um another placeholder somewhere else under the second one. Okay, I use my rectangle tool, then I duplicate it. Then the corner radius, if you don't want to apply the same radius size to all the four edges, you need to click it and apply it one after the other. You will click the radius option, then the you apply it the side that you want to apply it one after another. So you can see that my edge here on the above item, the edge here, they are not the same thing, they are not the same corner radius. I added corner radius to one side at the top and one side at the bottom as well. Okay, so here is my text. I place my text inside it, then I duplicate it here too, just to save our time. Okay, so I pick my button, the button I designed on the hero section. I duplicate the button so that I'll be able to use it here as well. The text is more than the rectangle, so I adjusted the rectangle. I click on it and adjust it. Click on the rectangle and adjust it. Okay, so I change the color of register as a farmer. Okay, I think this one is fine. Okay, so I can reduce the exposure to the exposure of the image so that my text will be able to be visible on it. If the image is too sharp, your text will not be able to show very well. So you can adjust your image, depend on the kind of image that you want to use. So I have some icons here too as well, which I already generated, and I want to place it inside the rectangle so that it will be able to have space around it, and the space I'm going to maintain the same size for all the space around the icon. Unlike the way your icon came, the way you generated your icon on the iconify box, they are not the same size. So using my own rectangle size and place my icon inside this, it will enable me to maintain the same size. So that's purpose of having your own frame around your icon by yourself. Okay, so this is another text. I'm using my image as an example. Okay, so I draw rectangle another rectangle tools, which all my items is going to be inside it. Don't forget, you can draw your frame. You can use your frame tools if you want all your items to be inside that particular container. But here I don't want to use a frame tool. That's the reason why I just pick the rectangle tools. I know how to arrange it, that will enable everything to move together afterward. Okay, so I copy this, then I duplicate it here. I want to reuse it here. I can now adjust it. Okay, then duplicate again. Okay, let me delete this so that I will duplicate the first one in order to get the accurate size and also save our time. Okay, so I duplicated this. So I can now go ahead to change the icon on each placeholder. So I later change the color, the background color. Yes, I later change the background color, which you are going to see it at the end of the design. Okay, I'm test running to see which color is going to match it well. Then here are my icons. I copy them, paste to replace, transparent pricing. Okay, so let me adjust the color, of the container of the icon. Okay, I think this color is fine. Okay, so here, paste to replace, I copy the first icon, then I paste it and replace it with this second one and the third one, in order to save us from the stress of putting it one after the other. Okay, so here I copy the icon again, paste to replace. Okay, copy together with the frame. I need to remove it from the frame. I click inside the frame in order to click the icon itself. Is the icon that we are working with now. So you double click that icon. If you click it once and it's not picking, you double click it. It's just because the icon and the other text, they're already framed together. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I'll be able to get another color that will match it well. Okay, and the color, yes, I later change the color as well, the color of the placeholder box. Okay, so I can now change the text here too as well, so as to differentiate it. Okay, I'm adjusting my rectangle. Okay, so I have other stuff here. I want to have the list of the market categories. I pick my rectangle tools as well. Then I want to I pick my frame tool rather. Okay, so I have some list of fruits, list of farm produce which are already generated. I generated this ones from free pick. In case you didn't see the item that you want inside the /, you can go outside the Figma. You open another tab on your browser, and You can use free pick, yes, free pick platform to generate very clear picture. Okay, so I added my corner radius to this placeholder as well. Then another rectangle, which is the gray color, another rectangle inside it, then my text on it. Then I let me adjust it so that it will fill the button space. Okay, so copy, paste and replace. That's paste to replace. That's what I did here too. Then I adjusted it. Then the fruit, yes, the name of the farm produce inside the container. Let it be in rhyme with your picture. Okay, so this for vegetables. So I deleted it. Let me have another one for the poultry. Copy, paste to replace. And I adjusted it and deleted the other one too. Poultry. So these are the market categories in which when a user click on the tuber crops, is going to bring them